Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to undo and redo your typing on your Android phone. Okay, so for this guys, you need to have the Google keyboard on your phone. If you don't have the Google keyboard, means Gboard, you need to download and install it from the Google Play Store. So nowadays guys, every latest phone was coming with built-in Google keyboard. So I have already installed the Google keyboard in my phone, as you can see guys. Okay, so if you want to undo and redo your typing mistake on your Android phone keyboard, for this guy you need to launch the Google keyboard, and here go to the settings. In the left side of your corner of your keyboard, just tap on that 4 boxes like this, and here you can get the option undo like this. You need to select this. Okay, now undo and redo option was activated in your keyboard. Now if you want to undo and redo your typing mistake on your phone keyboard, as you can see guys, here you can get the option undo and redo. If you want to undo it, just tap on it. If you want to redo this, just tap on it. That's it. Okay, so this is the way to undo and redo the typing mistake on your Android phone. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.